In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a back page in Canva using template. Let's get started by opening your Canva project. If you are beginning from scratch, choose a template that matches the look and feel you are going for. Templates are a great shortcut because the fonts, colors, and spacing are already coordinated, which makes your front and back pages feel cohesive from the start. With your main design open, it's time to add the back. The simplest way is to click the plus Add Page button at the bottom of the editor. This creates a blank canvas directly under your front page. A blank page is perfect if you want to design the back from the ground up while still keeping it tied to the overall theme. If you want perfect consistency with less effort, duplicate your front page instead. Click the duplicate page icon, the one that looks like two squares with a plus sign at the top right of the page thumbnail. This copies the layout, fonts, and colors, giving you a mirror to work from. Now, you can adjust the duplicated page so it functions as the back. On your new back page, start refining. Rearrange elements, change the text, or add new graphics to support the content you want on the reverse side. Think of the back as a place for supporting details. Maybe a more concise headline, a short description, or a simple call to action. Keep your visual hierarchy clear so the most important information stands out. Maintain the same fonts and color palette as the front for a professional, unified look, and watch the alignment lines Canva shows as you move items. Those guides help everything line up neatly. If the front page is visually bold, consider toning down the back slightly to keep it readable and balanced. Also, check spacing so nothing feels crowded near the edges. Once both pages look the way you want, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. For the sharpest text and cleanest graphics, set the file type to PDF print. Before you finalize, make sure both pages are selected, so they export together as one document. Choose All Pages or select both thumbnails in the list. When everything looks correct, click Download and Canva will generate a single, print-ready PDF that includes your front and back pages. That's it. Thanks for watching.